Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. And today we have the classic 80s digital watch. You can find these again all over the place, yard sales, thrift stores, whatever, right? These are just kind of a dime a dozen, but you know I love them just the same. This is actually one from I think it was an old retail store called Cycle World, which was like a bicyclist type cycle outfit retail store. This one it looks like this one has three controls on it. This one is a light, which you can't really see because it's too bright out right now. This one up here is to actually set and change your modes. And then this one over here is supposed to be a chrono, but for some reason I haven't been able to get... Oh, there we go. You got to hold it in. So finally figured it out while I'm on video. And I'm going to see if any of these other buttons do anything while I'm in the chrono. No, they don't. Well, anyway, now I've lost my chrono. So this one's old. It does have a fresh battery. But again, this one would be your classic digital cheap watch. Let's get some dimensions on this one. Classic 80s, made in Hong Kong. Let's see if we can see that. We've got about 35 millimeters. And our lug to lug is about 36. So decent sized watch, and you can tell this is one of the cheap 80s digital watches by the plastic back that just pops off. Probably, you know, if I wanted to get into it and make it really good, I could get in there and clean this button connector off and probably get that chrono to work more consistently. But honestly, not really worried about it at the moment. These are, like I said, these were everywhere. These are watches I wore as a kid. They have these cheap plastic bands. It's kind of like I would call it a Casio knockoff. This could have been even some kind of complimentary watch that they, you know, handed out when you bought something. Who knows? If you know the details behind these, let me know. But it is plastic case, very, very fragile feeling, right? But it is more like your classic 80s digital watch. But just a quick video to show another one that comes across the desk. This one pretty much doesn't have much value, just more nostalgia and more, you know, just the classic styling of the 80s that I wanted to share on here. So let me know if you have any more information about these or any other details with it, and we'll talk to you soon. As usual, we will finish off with the macro shots and the shots on the wrist.